Hello everyone, here we are learning how to find the area of non-right angle triangle. Usually we are using half times base times height formula to find the area of triangle. But this half times base times height is only possible on right angle triangles and isosceles triangle. Because they are having the angle 90 degree with that, if you apply sine 90, it gives 1. So 1 in the multiplication will not give any changes. That is why we are not using sine 90 here. If you are using also, you will get the same answer. But when it is for non-right angle triangle, we have to apply the theta because it is not 90. So here we are using the formula half times a times b times sine c. If you are not comfortable with this, you can continue half times base times height. Whenever there is no 90 degree, please include the other angle which is given in the diagram. Here in the first question, we need to find the area of a triangle with 3 significant figures. And there is no 90 degree in the diagram. We have an angle 106 degree and we have 2 sides. These 2 sides only helping us to get the angle here. So these sides are known as side A and side B. If you want to use this half BH form, you can write this is base and this is height. It doesn't mean base must be in horizontal form and height must be in vertical form in non-right angle. Here B and H gives the meaning to get the angle 106 degree. Here we can start the formula. Area of a non-right angle triangle is equal to half times base times height. The angle is given, so introduce sine theta here, which is half times base is 8 and the height is 14, sine and the angle is given 106 degree. The calculation for half times 8 times 14, we are getting 53.830. Sorry, half times 8 times 14, we get 56 times sine 10 degree says 0.9613. By multiplying these two things, we get 53.83. We need to leave the answer in 3 significant figures. So here number 5 first figure, 3 second figure, 8 3 figures. To leave the answer in 3 figures, we should think about our 4th figure. Here the 4th figure is less than 5. So we can take only these first 3 images. If it is greater than 5, we can add up 1 with the previous number. So area of this triangle is equal to 53.8. Unit is given centimeter. As we are doing area, this is centimeter square. Here in the second diagram, triangle PQR is given. We need to find perimeter. They are asking us to find the value of perimeter of the triangle when the area is 10 square centimeter square. The meaning of perimeter is add up all the 4 sides. Here we have side 1, side 2 and side 3 is missing. We need to find third side. And moreover, it is non-right angle triangle. To find the third side, we have to use cosine formula. So to use cosine rule, we need angle here. So the angle is also missing. How to find out the angle? To get the angle value, I am going to use the area concept here. So we can start with the first clue. Area of the given triangle is equal to 10 centimeter square is given. I am going to write the formula for area. Half times base times height times sine theta, which is equal to 10 here. And this given sides 3.2 and this 8.4 only can make the angle. The known side can make the angle. So half times 3.2 times 8.4 times sine theta, which gives 10 here. The value of half times 3.2 times 8.4 gives 13.44 times sine theta, which is equal to 10. We need to get the sine value. So we can keep only sine here. This multiple 13.4, we can move to the another side in the operation of division here. So that we get sine theta equal to 10 divided by 13.44 gives 0.7440. We need to find the value of theta, so that we have to remove that sign also. How can we remove? By taking sine inverse. So apply sine inverse on both sides. We have sine inverse of 7440, which gives the angle 48.077. To the nearest we can say 48 degree here. So finally we came to know the angle at the point P is 48 degree. So we got the proper diagram with two sides and one angle. Now we can find out the opposite side QR by using cosine rule. Here the cosine rule, again we can make the diagram. This is P, which is 48 degree, and the sides 3.2 and 8.4. The opposite side we need, which is known as QR. So we can start the formula from QR itself. So QR square is equal to the opposite square equal to the other two sides. We can square it in the formula. 3.2 square plus 8.4 square, formula minus 2 times 3.2 times 8.4 times cos angle is 48 degree. If you want to refresh the formula, I am writing for you. A square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos capital A. Here we can write the value of 3.2 square, which gives, we can use calculator, 10.24. 8.4 square gives 70.56 minus 2 times 3.2 times 8.4 gives 53.76 times cos 58 gives 0.6691. Here we have to add up these two numbers, which gives 80.8 minus, we have to multiply these two numbers, because here we have the operation multiplication and here it is addition. In between these two we have subtraction. So we can multiply the last two number, which gives 35.87. By subtracting these two number, we are getting the answer 44.83, which gives QR square. We need QR, so we have to apply square root on both sides, which gives QR equal to 6.6955. The other two answers are having 1 dp correction, so we can also leave the answer here. QR equal to 6.7 centimeter with 1 decimal place correction. The question is not finding QR or theta. We have to find perimeter. So now we have to start the final step, final answer. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle means we have to add up all the three sides. Side 1 PQ, side 2 QR, side 3 RP. Here the other two sides already given. PQ is 3.2. Now we got to know QR is 6.7. We can replace here, and that RP value is given 8.4. By adding all these three numbers, we are getting 18.3 and the unit is centimeter. This is the required perimeter of the given triangle. So thanks for watching this. Here in this chapter, if you have any doubt, you can comment. I'll try to upload it in the next video. Thank you.